In this short tutorial, I'll guide you step by step through the process of enabling vibration on your iPhone. Whether you want to receive discrete notifications or simply add a tactile element to your device, I've got you covered. So make sure to watch this video until the very end to understand the tutorial properly. To get started, open up the Settings app on your iPhone, scroll down a bit, and tap Sounds and Haptics. So vibrations on your iPhone are called haptics, and you have a couple of different options available for a variety of functions. To enable these features, just scroll down and tap Keyboard Feedback, then toggle on the switch next to Haptic. So now, when you type on your keyboard, it will give you haptic feedback. Then go back, and you'll see these two options. Play haptics in ring mode, play haptics in silent mode. Go ahead and toggle both of these switches. Now it will use haptics regardless of whether your iPhone is in ring mode or silent mode. After that, scroll down to the very bottom and you'll see this option. System Haptics. So if you want to use haptics for system controls and interactions, simply toggle on this switch over here. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.